The Icelandic nature is wild and clean, filled with energy, total silence, and an almost indescribable beauty. Large parts of the land are still being formed right before our eyes. Rough, beautiful and dramatic landscapes are born out of volcanic eruptions and carved into new shapes by glaciers. Surrounded by the feel of the Earth's creation in the making, you're invited to experience a wealth of sensations. If you're up for testing your limits, then there's plenty of activities to choose from, including everything from adventure to adrenaline rush. One thing is certain, you won't be the same after experiencing Iceland up close and personal.